Hello, my name is Michael Gidrow, CEO of Esquire Consulting Group, and I am looking for a small group of attorneys who are unhappy with the current state of their law practice. I know firsthand how frustrating and difficult the practice of law can be, and if you're feeling that this is not what you wanted from your law practice for any number of reasons, I can help you. From exceedingly long hours of 60 to 80 a week or more, including weekends and late nights, as well as always being on call, the stress can be overwhelming with no end in sight. It is exhausting and often leads to burnout or worse. Drug and alcohol problems often ensue, and nobody wants to hear a lawyer complain about how tough it is. Most people assume you're rich and overpaid, so any expression of distress or dissatisfaction falls on deaf ears. But if you're interested in learning how I can help you work fewer hours and earn more money in your practice, in just a matter of a week or two, guaranteed, please invest a few more minutes by clicking below to see what I have to offer. This offer is greatly discounted now for a limited time as the program launches, and I can only accept those who sign up now at this very low price. So please click the link below and see what I have in store for you and your revitalized practice.